नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? हाउ आर यू ऑल? बहुत दिनों के बाद हम मिल रहे हैं, राइट? वी आर मीटिंग आफ्टर सो मेनी डेज. You got a long leave, right? 1 month leave we got. So we are leave for online exam you have written. After that you got more days leave. Then after that activity only was there, right? Okay, आप खूब मज़े किए हैं ना? You enjoyed a lot, right? नए वर्ष का शुरू हुआ, नया वर्ष की बधाई आप लोगों को. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल. ओके, see, most of the students they didn't attend the exam, right? Why you are not giving importance for the exam, my dear kids? You have to give importance, na? You have to give importance for the exams and all. Please write the exams and please submit the papers. See, we are missing you all, but you are not at all missing us, right? You are not missing the school year, you are not missing the exams. Please write the exams as well, okay? Then studies also you give importance. Watch the YouTube videos and what are the teachers telling, please obey that and all. Okay, ma? Okay, then already we have dropped so many classes. So today we want to continue the lesson, textbook. So I'm going to take the 8th lesson. Okay, before that you see this picture. What is there? What is that in that? Who is that sitting? One bird is sitting. एक चिड़िया. चिड़िया के चोंच में क्या है? What is there in the beak of that चिड़िया? That bird? Tinka, right? Straw. So many sticks that it is keeping. Why it is keeping straws on its chonge? Why it is taking straws and all? Yeah, to build the nest, right? To build the nest. Why it is always making nest and all? Because if it is happening, see if any heavy wind is coming or heavy flood is coming, if anything happening, having any changes or any heavy things is happening in the nature, the nest will drop, like nest will break. So in that heavy situation, that विषम परिस्थितियों में भी हार न मानने का संदेश this चिड़िया, this bird is giving us the lesson that in that heavy wind, everything is coming, even whirlwind is coming, even it won't give up, right? It will collect the sticks and it will start making the nest again, right? So this chidiya is going to make a what? चोंच में वह बात भी, दिस भयंकर तूफान के बाद की तबाही के बाद भी चिड़िया इतना हिम्मत करती है कि तिनके को चोंच में दबाकर उठ जाती है ताकि नए सिरे से अपना घोंसला बना सके. मीन्स इफ when very heavy wind is there itself, it won't give up its courage and it is taking the straws and going and started making the nest again. So then you can see some picture, one girl is catching the leaves, right? पतझड़ के बाद भी ऐसी नहीं है, जंगल खाली हो गया है कि अभी भी कोई ना कोई है जो झड़ती हुई पत्ती को उठाकर उसमें कुछ उपयोगिता तलाश लेगा. मीन्स so many leaves and all will fall always, right? But then even some people will be there to catch that leaves, to take that leaves and do if they need. See, if we are getting some activity or something in the school, we need leaves for that, means we will collect the leaves, right? So still we are using the leaves, falling leaves. We won't drop it, we won't drop all the falling leaves and all. We are there to catch the leaves and all. So it is telling that if any person, those who is not well and it is going to fall, means some hands is there to catch that person. So if you are sick, means your parents are there to catch you, right? If your grandparents are sick, means your parents are there to catch them. So somebody is there to care us. So it is there. So our life is not going to end now, isn't it? So the bird also thought like that. By dropping the nest, the bird also thought like that. My life is not ending now. I can make another nest. Like that, it is taking the straws and going. So like that only, the leaves also having life afterwards also. If the falling, by seeing that the leaves are falling, is it not growing? It's growing, right? So so the life is not going by and now not going. We should not give up, we should go forward. In the railway station and all, we can see that everywhere it's so crowd, right? By thinking that station will be always crowd, whether we are not going anywhere. नो, इट इज़ स्टेशन पर लोगों की भीड़ मिल ही जाती है, क्योंकि उन्हें विश्वास होता है कि कोई ना कोई रेलगाड़ी उन्हें अपनी मंजिल तक ज़रूर पहुंचेगा. Means if we are seeing the field itself, we are seeing the crowd itself, we are going there and waiting for the train, because we have the belief that one train will come and it will take us and it will reach our destination where we want to go. That train will take us to go, isn't it? So we have that belief in our mind that that train will come and it will take us to our destination. अपने मंजिल तक ज़रूर पहुंच जाएगी, उस मंजिल पर जहाँ कोई उनका इंतज़ार कर रहा होगा. When we are reaching there, somebody will be there to welcome us, somebody will be there for us to wait, right? So like some students and all will be there now, they'll go far and they'll stay in hostel and they will study, right? So when they are getting leave in the weekend or month end, they are getting leave, means they'll come by train or flight or some bus or something. So we have the belief that what, somebody will be there, like our parents or father or mother will be there for us to wait there. So our life is not going finishing there, somebody is there for us to wait, isn't it? So we should not what, we should not give up. So koi yah आवाज़, then what happened? If we are coming for school and if we are going late to home, means somebody will be there to wait for us. Our grandparents will be very eagerly waiting for us to see, right? Evening and all, parents also, morning we went and till evening they are not meeting us, and evening they are very eagerly waiting for us to meet, right? So like that, if we are playing outside and the sun is going to set, that time what our parents or grandparents will say, it's going to set the sun, please go come inside, like that. It's like that, so our parents or grandparents are telling. So our life is not going now, somebody is there for us. सो सूरज डूबना, कोई यह आवाज़ लगा रहा होगा कि जल्दी आ जाओ, अब सूरज डूबने का वक्त हो गया है, फास्टली कम, नाउ इट्स द टाइम फॉर द सन टू सेट. सो डोंट वांट टू प्ले लाइक दैट, समबडी इज देयर. जब कोई बच्चा बाहर खेले, वी आर प्लेइंग आउटसाइड, तो उसकी माँ सूरज ढलने के वक्त उन्हें आवाज़ लगाकर ज़रूर बुला लेती है. Like if our father or mother is going for work and we will wait for them, right? You will go for school and evening when we will go home, parents won't be there, they'll come late only. But when they will come like that, we are eagerly waiting from them. इस इंतज़ार में मानव रिश्तों की मजबूत बुनियाद होती है. our strength of our relation is going tight because of this what waiting. सो किसी भी व्यक्ति को रोज़ काम पर निकलने और फिर घर लौटने के लिए प्रचुर मनोबल होती है. सी बाय सीइंग दैट we are interested to go and we are interested to come back to home, like somebody is waiting for us, like that we will eagerly come to home, right? So इसलिए हमें कभी भी हिम्मत नहीं हारनी चाहिए. कहा जाता है कि हर काली रात के बाद सवेरा होता है. See, the night will be dark, right? But then even after darkness, what it is coming? It is light, it is coming in the morning, right? So you should not give up, because after everything one after every darkness one light is there. So this one Jack Ma named one person. He is a very famous person. He has written on cards, you can see, never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine, right? It's written wrongly. Sunshine. कभी हार मत मानो, आज कठिन है. Don't give up. कभी हार मत जानो means never give up. Learn the Hindi words also. Okay, you are now in 8th grade. You should learn some Hindi sentence and all. I'm so happy with Advin that she has written something in Hindi about herself. Very nicely he has written. Like that, you also have to take effort to write everything in Hindi and by your own. For that only I gave that question, but one or two only has attended that question and they have written some other. Okay, never give up. Today is hard. कभी हार मत मानो means never give up. आज कठिन है. Today is hard. कल बदतर होगा. Tomorrow will be worse. लेकिन कल के बाद का दिन सुनहरा होगा. Then after tomorrow, day after tomorrow will be sunshine or golden. So you should not give up. Then who is this, you know? Her name is Jaya Jadwani. She is a famous poet. She is a very famous upanyaskar, then gadyakar, kahanikar, kavi, everything is she. She born on Madhya Pradesh on 1959. Her one poem only we are going to learn today. All take your textbook. Take page number 42. यह सबसे कठिन समय नहीं. This is not the difficult time. Okay. Right up of it. Today's date 18/1/2021. Somawar. Right on the up of it and start reading. नहीं यह सबसे कठिन समय नहीं. अब भी दबा है चिड़िया की चोंच में तिनका और वह उठने की तैयारी में है. No, this is not the नहीं. No, this is not the difficult time of yours. अभी भी दबा है चिड़िया की चोंच में तिनका. Now also the bird is keeping straw on its chonj. What? Chonj means beak. It is keeping straw on its beak. और वह उड़ने की तैयारी में है. It is ready to fly. अभी भी चरती हुई पत्ती. Now also the falling leaves are there. Falling leaves, what it is doing? थामने को बैठा है हाथ एक. One hand is there to hold it. One hand is falling leaves are there, but one hand also is there to hold it. अभी भी feed है स्टेशन पर. Now the crowd is there in the station. अभी भी एक रेलगाड़ी जाती है गंतव्य तक. One रेलगाड़ी means train is there to reach the destination. जहाँ कोई कर रहा होगा प्रतीक्षा. There somebody will be there for us to wait. अभी भी कहता है कोई किसी को जल्दी आ जाओ कि अब सूरज डूबने का वक्त हो गया. Somebody is telling come fastly. This is the time for to set the sun. Sun is going to set, you come fast. अभी भी कहा जाता है उस कथा का आखिरी हिस्सा. That story's last portion is there. What story? See, our grandmas and all used to say somebody will come and they'll come and say some stories from the space and all. So that story also we are expecting still. बूढ़ी नानी सुना रही सदियों से, even from the centuries, even centuries before itself, that old grandmas and all were telling the story that दुनिया के तमाम बच्चों को अभी आती है एक बस अंतरिक्ष के पार की दुनिया से लाएगी बचे हुए लोगों की खबर. One man will come from the space and it will come and say some stories to you. That is saying like that. Still the grandmas and all will say stories for us, right? So that only. So the life is not ending. This much only this lesson. I explained first even now, so you can understand the story by lesson by reading itself. Okay. So everything is not going to finish still. Now also the birds are taking the straws and going to build the nest. Now also the falling leaves are there, and on hand is there to catch it. Now also in station, railway station, crowd is there. Then even there's so many are waiting to get the train, and somebody is there to wait for them also. And some one more thing is there, like in our home and all, somebody is there for us to wait, and somebody is there for us to say that the sun is going to set, you come inside, like that. And so still the our grandmas and all is telling the story of what and all was happening centuries before. So that's still happening still. It is not going to end. What is happening before itself, that is still it is there. So the life is not going to end now. So we should not give up. You should you should face everything. इसलिए हमें कभी भी हिम्मत नहीं हारना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट गिव अप. वी शुड नॉट गिव अप आवर करेज. वी शुड फेस एवरीथिंग विथ करेज. कहा जाता है कि हर काली रात के बाद सवेरा होता है. आफ्टर ईच एंड एवरी डार्कनेस one light will be there. So we should not give up by seeing the darkness and all. Oh, this much only, I can't do that one, I can't do this one, I can't do. If we are participating in any competition, even first competition we will fail, but the second competition we have to get, we have, like, by seeing that, oh, I can't do this one, so that only I failed in this, like that you should not feel, and you should go forward, then only you can success. So run till you succeed. Okay, work hard till you succeed. So my dear kids, you also have to follow this one. You should not give up in anything. You should achieve everything. You should achieve your goal. Whatever you want to become, please run behind it. Please, we will on the way, so many obstacles will be there, so many difficulties will be there, but we should not come back. By seeing the difficulties and by seeing the obstacles, we should not come back. We should face it, and we should go forward, then only we can achieve the goal. Okay, my dear kids, understood the lesson? Read the lesson, and record it and send it to me. And after that, you get sign from your, after reading, show to your parents and get sign from your parents, and that picture also you should send to me. Okay ma? Okay my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.